Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about I function and identity function in Numpy library. So let's start I function and identity function. Before that we have to import the Numpy library. So let's import first. After that, by using of help function, we can find out the what parameters it will take and what will it returns. Here you can see like parameters it is taking and number of rows what we want in the output, number of columns in the output, and k is the index of the diagonal which we will see in by using of example. And what it will returns an array all elements are equal to 0 except for the diagonal whose values are equal to 1, or we can say it will give identity matrix. And how it works we will see in example. So first of all, what parameters it will take. Let's start or let's understand with some example. Here we can say that it will take 3 rows and 3 columns, and the diagonal values are equal to 1, and rather than all values are zeros. We can also give the data types and also give the column value. Here you can see like there are 3 rows and 4 columns. We can also change the d types. Here you can see like d types is changed into the integer, and we can let's understand the what is the use of k, or what it's index of the diagonal. But let's understand what is let's understand in practical way. It is taking k equal to 0 as a default value, and in output it will give identity matrix where diagonal values are 1 and other values are zeros. If we are giving a k values to a -1, it will take like below values is equal to 1 rather than all values are zeros. Same if we are giving a k equal to +1, it will take or it will take above values of the main diagonal as 1, other values are zeros. So let's understand first what is the use of k equal to -1. Here you can see like the main diagonal is this one, and the below this values are equal to 1. So that is the use of k equal to -1. So now let's understand what is the use of k equal to +1. Here you can see like this is the main diagonal, and the above values of the main diagonal is 1 and 1. So this is known, this is the example of k equal to 1. Yeah, that's all in I function. Now let's quickly move towards the identity function. How it works, let's understand first. By pressing tab, we can directly get the name of the function. Now run this. Okay, let's understand first what is identity function. Yeah, identity function is a like it will give the identity array is a square array with ones on the main diagonal. What is the difference between I and identity function is that identity function it will give a square array, rather than in I we can get according to our requirement we can give the row size and the column size, but in identity matrix we can get only a square array with ones on the main diagonal. So first of all, let's understand what are the parameters used in identity function. So n is the number of rows and the columns which will represent both number of rows and the columns, because it will give a square matrix or square array. So it will take only one parameter, and after that it will take d type what we want in our output, and the default is float, and it will give a n dimensional array, main diagonal set to 1 and all other elements equal to 0. So now let's understand in practical way how it works. Okay, here you can see that the main diagonal values are equal to 1 and other elements are equal to 0. Now let's understand. Here you can see like we have mentioned the d type equal to int. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Stay safe and keep learning.